Good morning everybody. I'm going to tell you what a usual nursery kit consists of in Eurokids. We introduce the child to different concepts during this whole 1 year at Eurokids, and we have a book for each concept that we introduce to your child in nursery. And we do individual assessment. It is not a group assessment or a comparison assessment that we follow. So we have an achievement card for each child where each and every behavior will be assessed. Apart from this, the class teacher also notices the child's behavior on a weekly basis. Like if the child is grateful, we give the child I'm thankful badge. So like that we have, if the child is brave or if he has done a brave activity by saving a friend or something else, we give them I'm brave badge. And we also have something called the vocabulary kit. This vocabulary kit is a home kit for each child. Whatever I'm showing you here is for each child. So let's say we're going to teach the child about loving, and it's going to say I have a loving family. So when we give you this card home, you will be able to show this, you should show this card to your child, and the child will be able to tell the sentence or say the word called loving and add on different sentences to the same word. We also have an activity book where the child can do different activities, and this will be the basic homework book for the child. We also have a portfolio file where we will make the child do different activities and file it in the portfolio file. And we also have a exploring numbers with buddy book. We also have letters, so your child can actually have his or her tactile functions be functioning while reading when I say reading, it's even picture reading, while reading the alphabets or the numbers. And this kit also includes a beautiful memories book where we as teachers will document each and every memory of your child in this book and give it to you at the end of the program. We also have a parent manual involved where you can go through and then understand what to expect out of school, and you as a parent on what to do for your child. We also have a home takeaway kit where we do a lot of takeaways for children. These takeaways are associated with the concepts that your child learned here at Eurokids. We also have a home takeaway kit in which we will be giving it to the parent so that you as parent can spend time with your child and do activities together. We also have theme kits, and these theme kits will be given to you during our PTM sessions, and each theme is designed in such a way, which is related to the curriculum of course, and is designed in such a way that you actually get time to spend with your kid. And we also have a little cap and bag for your little one, along with the t-shirts of course. So what are you waiting for? Just come along and join us.